Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It's been a little while since I've uploaded anything. I won't go into too much detail here. I'll probably make a separate video on it in a couple of days or whatever when George is at school. Basically, George broke his leg over summer and he was in a full leg cast for 6 weeks, and I just put all my attention into looking after him and of course Finley. But having a 4-year-old with a broken leg in full plaster cast when it's boiling hot outside, it was really difficult to keep him sort of entertained and happy. So that's where I've been. But I have just done a massive food shop at Lidl's and Sainsbury's as always, and I thought I would do a food haul and tell you what our meal plan is for the week. If you do enjoy this kind of video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as a viewer. I will of course link my other food hauls and meal plan playlists down below, so if you want to go and check out my other videos you can do. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so starting here then with some fruit and veg. So I've got a large cauliflower, a huge sweet potato, which George was calling a coconut the whole way around Lidl's and was making all the old people laugh. I've got a 3-pack of red onions, bag of red chilies, large head of broccoli, some apples, the only fruit that George seems to eat, some British baby potatoes and also some British carrots as well. Moving over here then to like the cupboard stuff then. So back here we have got some tagliatelle pasta. For some lunches and bits, I've got 2 of the packets of the tomato and chili couscous. I love to have that with a bit of cheese and some like balsamic glaze or something for lunches, and it's really quick and easy to do as well. And I've also got 2 packs of super noodles because I find they're just always handy to have in the cupboard. Got a large box of boil in the bag rice. I believe you get 8 bags in there, so that lasts us a couple of weeks. And I've also got a bottle of vegetable oil as well. Down here then I've got 2 lots of the medium egg noodles. We're having like a noodle dish twice this week, and as George is starting to eat more with us, we also need to get double the amount. So we've got 2 packs of those. I've got a pack of the Schwartz cheddar cheese sauce for our cauliflower cheese. Now I saw these in Sainsbury's. We are having like a ramen sort of dish one night, and I fancied some prawn crackers to go with it. I am someone that normally just buys the cheapest thing, whether it's own brand, whether it's branded, whatever, but these were actually cheaper than the Sainsbury's brand. So Sainsbury's prawn crackers were £1.10 I believe, and these were on offer for £1. So I picked these up, and these are the Itsu prawn crackers in the Peking duck flavour, and I think they look really, really tasty, so I'm really looking forward to trying those. Some like sauces and seasonings and bits up here then. So when we make our roast potatoes, we like to put a bit of seasoning on it. Normally we just make it ourselves and use like a garlic and herb kind of mix, but I saw this, if it's going to focus, there we go. I saw this in Sainsbury's. It's a roast potato seasoning. Not exactly sure what's in it. I'm sure it's probably just very similar. Oh, it says on the back. So like a mix of salt, onion powder, black pepper, white pepper and rosemary. But I thought instead of going through a whole sort of packet in one go, that will last, you know, for the next however many months, etc. I've got some gravy, a tomato and basil pasta sauce, a tikka masala for a curry we're having. These are really quick and easy. The sauce is really tasty, but it also comes with one of these powders as well on top, which you can like marinate the chicken in first. Back here I've got some teriyaki sauce, some light soy sauce, and also the Home Pride Texan chili barbecue sauce. This is our favourite barbecue sauce. It's really delicious, it's very barbecuey, from Sainsbury's. It's on offer at the moment. I'd definitely recommend trying that because it's delicious. And then I've also got some plain poppadoms as well to go with a different dish that we're having this week, most likely the curry. And I've also got up here, so I was about to move on to like the sweet treats and things, but I missed this. So I also picked up some of the English breakfast tea bags. These are really good tea bags. I think I've said it before. Normally we get like Twinings or PG Tips, but you know, trying to be cheap, energy crisis and all. So, and you know, being on maternity. So I picked these up from Lidl's, 89p. And they are amazing. I've had them before, I really, really rate them. Moving on then to some sweet treats then. So down here I've got these from Lidl's. These are basically Lidl's own version of Rocky bars. So these are called Caramel Canyon Chunky Bars. Basically chocolate biscuit and caramel. Got some of the mini jammy wheels and some of the milk chocolate animals. Again, these are both Lidl's own versions of, you know, Cadbury chocolate animals and jammy Dodgers. Obviously George has no idea. Down here then I've got a bag of these curly whirly swirlies, a bag of Henry Hippos, and then a couple of like multi-packs of Toffee Crisp. Oh, and some of the airy chocolate bars as well. George spotted these. He really fancied some of these Kinder Happy Hippos. Don't know how much he's actually going to enjoy them, but he spotted them out the corner of his eye and thought, I need those. So I picked up those for him to try. And I've also got some of Lidl's own version Jaffa cakes as well. Oh, I found these over in the freezer section. So yeah, I've also picked these up. This is what George originally wanted. They were like 50p, My Little Pony lollies. So I've also got those as well. And then some frozen items over here, not too much this week. So I've got a bag of curly fries, some chicken nuggets, some poppin' chicken, which is for a recipe we're doing this week. It was just easier to get it like this. And also a bag of Yorkshire puddings. Okay, I had to put some stuff away to actually make space for a few other bits then. So I'm just starting back over here then with some like non-food items. I've got a big bottle of softener for washing. I've got some conditioner. I've got some Radox shower gel. Here we needed some seal bags. I bought a big multi-pack of chicken to try and make it a bit cheaper. So I bought these zip seal bags so we can kind of split it up to last throughout the week so it remains fresh. Here I've got some of the size 2 loopy-loo nappies that we use for Finley, and we use these for George. I've said it in many other food vlogs before when we've got nappies, but I really rate these. We've never had any leaks with them, so I definitely recommend those. And then I've also got a tub of the SMA Little Steps formula for little Finn. A couple of bread items. I've got a loaf of the medium sliced white bread. I've got some 8 plain wraps and also some crumpets as well. A large multi-pack of Walker's crisps, and then over here just a few fridge bits. So at the back here then I have got, I think there are 6 chicken breasts in here, so I've got some chicken breast fillets that, like I say, I'm going to split up to last throughout the week. I've got some lean beef steak mince from Lidl, a Mattison's smoked pork sausage for a pasta dish we're having, some ham for lunches, some Greek style salad cheese, or basically feta which I call it, and then also a block of extra mature British cheddar as well. Okay, so that was everything then that I bought at the shops today. So everything was from Lidl's or Sainsbury's, and I tried to be as money efficient and cheap as possible. I either got things that were on offer or sort of Lidl's or Tesco's, Sainsbury's own brand, to just try and save some money in this crisis that we're currently living in, plus being on statutory maternity pay. If you can hear George, he's in the next room playing with Dad and Finley. So the meal plan then that we have, so this evening then we are having teriyaki chicken noodles. Tomorrow night then we're going to have a chicken tikka masala with some poppadoms, and I do also have some naan breads already in the cupboard as well that will probably pair with that as well. Next then we're going to be having on, losing track of the days, on Friday we're going to be having a chili. George also will be eating the same things as us as well. I should have mentioned that. On Sunday then we're going to be having a roast. I think I've got my days confused. So today is Wednesday, teriyaki noodles. Tomorrow is going to be curry, which is Thursday. Friday we're doing a chili. Yeah, I've got it right, a chili, perfect. And then on the Saturday night we're going to be having sweet potato and feta taquitos, which are really delicious. If I can, maybe I'll find the recipe that we use and link it down below, but we've cooked it so much that I don't even think we use the recipe anymore, we just cook it, so I will try and find it if I can. On the Sunday we've also then going to have a roast, and then on the Monday we're going to be having ramen, which is delicious again. I think it's a Wagamama recipe. We've had it before. It's been in other food hauls as well, but I will link it down below if I can find it. But that is a really yummy Wagamama recipe. And then we're also just going to have some spicy sausage pasta as well. That's it really for the week. Quite a simple and easy meal plan, nothing too difficult. It is George's first week at school next week, so we just wanted some yummy dishes that were going to be quite quick and easy to make, so he wasn't waiting too long for dinner or staying up too late, etc. And I think they work quite well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, like I said earlier, if you could just give this video a big thumbs up, hit that red button to subscribe. It's completely free to do so, but it really does help me out to know who's watching my videos. And yeah, that's how I'm going to end today's video. I promise I will film some content over the next few days when George is at school. So I look forward to seeing you real soon. Take care, bye!